How to remove glitter. I have two tapes. I have this one, painter's masking tape, or I have this one, which is the clear tape. Glitter is very, very dangerous, so please be careful when you're taking glitter out. I'm going to take this glitter out, and I'm going to use my magnifying mirror over here. So let us start. I'm going to start with this one. Can you see the glitter on here? If I go like this, you can see the glitter. Always remove your glitter with tape. Use tape to remove your glitter. It takes a little while, but it's safe. You don't want to rub glitter. This is a very fine glitter, and I don't want to rub it. And there are rough glitters, and you still don't want to rub it because that can cause eye harm. It can cause harm to your eyes. See, I have less on right now. Like I said, the process is long, but you will save your eyes in the long run if you do decide to use glitter. If you notice, you see the dropouts right here? When I pull the tape off, the excess falls there. You don't want that in your eye. Yep, fine, and less. The more you do it, the less you'll have. I'm going to use this tip on this eye. The stickier the tape, the better it is for you because then it lifts up more. Glitter is messy. Remember that because it's glitter. It's everywhere. So remember, glitter is messy. Glitter makes everything pretty, but it's a messy process to take it out. So far I have both of them doing the job. So it doesn't matter which one you get, it will do the job once it's sticky enough. Taking out glitter. See, it's getting there, it's getting there. Almost done. tape. I use different amounts of tape so you can see how to take your glitter off. You don't have to use a lot of tape, but I want to make sure everything is off, as much off as possible. So this is what my eyes look like after I took off the glitters. Now I can go in and take a makeup wipe and clean my eyes and get everything out. But right now, the glitters are off. I hope that was helpful to someone. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying bye. Go have a fabulous day.